Leave. Leave. You're not supposed to be here. You are trespassing. Leave. Leave. Leave.
Yeah, hold on, let me grab my shoes and stuff, dude, and I'll leave.
Okay, leave.
You and that fucking record better not allowed on it. I'm not allowed on it.
Yeah, you are.
Hold on.
Well, you're stealing electricity, and I've told you to leave, and you were smart-mouthing me when you know you're not supposed to fucking be here.
If I remember correctly.
If you remember correctly, what?
United States Marines allowed to be anywhere I want.
You can do anything you want.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Be a United States Marine, but you know, some of it's not so trustworthy.
Well, jarheads,
Judgment, you know
jarheads are supposed to block bullets. Why aren't you blocking bullets? Go block bullets. Because you're a dumb jarhead.
A dumb jarhead?
A dumb jarhead. Look at you. Homeless, stealing electricity,
All right.
and you want to represent our country?
Your country?
Yeah, my country.
No, it isn't.
Fuck you then. Get the fuck out of here. Stupid Marine.
Stupid Marine is it?
Yeah, stupid Marine. You couldn't figure out how to not be homeless?
I mean, I was, but I'm looking for somebody that's kidnapped.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so you're like MacGyver Marine.
Yeah, probably could try to save lives.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Don't.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
And, but you're watching TV on the meantime.
Yeah, I'm taking a break and doing my job.
Oh, okay.
You know, everywhere
Yeah.
I go, there's some asshole saying I can't be there.
Huh. I wonder why.
Yeah.
Because you can't get your shit together to get a place
I get my shit together,
or not do drugs or loudmouth. Yeah. Oh, me.
Knows everything.
Yeah. I know everything. And you're littering.
They think they know.
Yeah.
Something because like.
Because you feel sorry for yourself. You feel sorry for yourself.
Do I?
Yeah.
Hell no.
That's why you're here.
Fuck that, no, I'm not.
Then go be an outstanding citizen. The Marine that you say you are.
There isn't one.
You can be one if you want to be, but you obviously don't want to be one.
I'm an outstanding citizen.
Shoo.
I'm not saying you are.
Shoo. Shoo.
You know what I mean?
Shoo.
He seems crazy.
Fuck off. Bat me out either, they go.
Oh, there's a cop. I want to see the butt crack. There it is. Butt crack. All right. Adios, muchacho.
Gotta go back down to that part, you know. Because it's hard to say the fucking light
And that's why we do Critter Patrol. We do the Critter Cruise.